Hey guys, this is Neil from Neil Workshop Zone. So today I'm going to show you my terrace garden. Now this isn't actually my terrace garden. My mom actually takes care of this garden, and I usually help her in watering the plants or filling the mud, etc. So as you can see here, there are a variety of plants. So there are variety of plants from ranging from marigold to vinca to chrysanthemum, fishbone, and still so many plants. So now we're going to be talking about every single one of them. So this is Mexican mint, and this is chrysanthemum, or also known as chamanti. This is dianthus, and this is petunia. This is yellow chrysanthemum. This is fishbone. It's in both purple and white color. So as you can see here, this is the white color. Next you have vinca, and this is orange chrysanthemum. This is dianthus, and this is balsam, marigold, and now this is a tomato plant, sampangi plant. These are lemon, tomato, and ginger, or known as sweet lime. These are oranges and tomatoes plants as well. These are guava plants, and those are sapota plants. These are Kanakamparam, yellow hibiscus. Now these are crotons, that is kale, and that is fern. That is spinach hibiscus. Some more varieties of hibiscus plants. This is also a balsam plant. This is red in color, and this one is pink in color. This is white bougainvillea. This is pink and white vinca flowers. So these four are rose plants. It's a tomato plant, and these are some other flowering plants like mogra, jasmine. This is a abachita plant, and that is a tomato and brinjal plant. Now this is apachita plant, or also known as shankpushpam. It is the favorite flower of Lord Shiva and is both in purple and violet color. Now let's get to the other side of the garden. Now these are rose plants. These are some chrysanthemum plants, red chilies. Now these are brinjal and tomato saplings. That is orange hibiscus, and this is pink bougainvillea. This is a dahlia, and this is orange hibiscus. That is an oleander, and that is a plumeria. And here we have some more tomatoes and brinjal saplings. So we still need some stands for some of these pots, and we'll get them soon, and when we get them I'll probably do like another update video. Now we grew some seeds of some tomato and brinjals, and they've kind of grown into small plants. So those are all the plants that we have in this garden. Now there is still a lot more work to do, like flooring and coloring the pots, etc. But they will be done pretty soon. So when it will be done, I will get back to you guys. So hope you enjoyed this garden vlog. If you did, please leave a like and follow this, and also subscribe to my NEEL Workshop channel on YouTube. And I'll see you next time.